Happy New Year, guys. This is my first tutorial of the year, so period. My hair right now is giving me very much crust. I am going to be trying out a braid out plus twist out. Now, I'm not really good with either of them, but we're gonna try. Now, I'm gonna be using BioCare leave-in conditioner. Add some oil on there. Now, I'm using BioCare coconut curling cream plus the curl activator. Now, you want to spread the products evenly on your hair and detangle. Keep on doing this, and you're gonna see the curls pop. It's gonna pop. So basically you want to start braiding and you're gonna start twisting as you get down. Now that's how I do it. And you don't want to use too much water and too much products because baby, I let it sit on my hair for at least 2 days, and this is the final results in 3, 2, 1. Boom! It came out pretty bomb. Like it's actually moving like for the first time. Hey, period. Yes, sir. This is why I can't hype myself up. Like, what are you doing? See you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.
Hey, gang, shit, bad shit, gang, subscribe, close.
Drip Eliante, pulling up, feeling like Harry Belafonte. Look at my racks, feel like Serena went from the back. Swing, pull like Jim, waves on swim, and a rock Timbs with the tag. Butterfly doors on the Tesla, I just spend shit on gas.
$150, I be at the strippy club. Whiskey sippy cup, I be on like Disney Plus. Empress New Grove, on my cheese blue. Bitch got a twin and she let me hit it.
Hold up.
Freaky little mommy wanna suck me till I sleep. I can't even lie, yeah, she being a little creep. Now she wanna airdrop me, pick double D's, and she don't charge a fee, they for free.
Drip Eliante, pulling up, feeling like Harry Belafonte. Look at my racks, feel like Serena went from the back. Swing, pull like Jim, waves on swim, and a rock Timbs with the tag. Butterfly doors on the Tesla, I just spend shit on gas.
If I like how the bad look, I'ma eat it up, ain't this shit back up. We finna ask her the videos that she got stored on a MacBook. Kaboom in the mouth, Bazooka Joe. Her daddy is mad, he's a boomer though. I'm in my element, band my jam. I drop the top on a Panamera. Backs on me like I'm bringing in groceries. Wanna know why she nosy. I'm in H&M cozy, bread it up, hoagie, spend it on the brodies. We hit hard, that's blunt force trauma. 3-6 hoes, I pound my collar. If she less than a 10, I make her split the bill, for real.
Drip Eliante, pulling up, feeling like Harry Belafonte. Look at my racks, feel like Serena went from the back. Swing, pull like Jim, waves on swim, and a rock Timbs with the tag. Butterfly doors on the Tesla, I just spend shit on gas.